Hello, good morning traders. Today is the 18th of July 2023. We just banked amazing profit on dollar yen. We have, based on the yesterday analysis, New York session analysis, we have been short, and even in the Asian session we had such amazing trade, short trade on dollar yen. Let me explain to you how we analyze the market. If pretty straightforward, as you can see here, we were expecting price action at this level. You can see here the price previously respected, and especially when you see this candle rejection, so we've been short here. Even in the Asian session we also had this breakout short trade. As explained, this is the target which price nicely hit. Let's see if the price is going to break this short, then I'm expecting a huge drop. Otherwise we are also expecting here, if the price is going to respect, then long here. So then might going to develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. It depend on how the market, but now we are short and banking amazing profit on dollar yen. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday point of view. That was the pretty straightforward. If you look at here, we've been long here, as you can see here, based on the previous analysis. When the market shoot up at the New York session, that was the pretty straightforward. We were watching in a high time frame, and as soon as the price respected, and if you look at here, that's what we point of interest. If you look at here, the price developed head and shoulder pattern, and we were expecting, let's see if the market respected. Based on this analysis, we have this breakout. We've been short, banking amazing profit. Even at the Asian session, we just bank amazing profit right now in few seconds. As you can see here, the market pretty straightforward, developed sideways market. Based on the 4-hour, price nicely broken, and been intraday, you can see momentum was bearish. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4-hour, that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we can get another pullback. So you can see guys how we analyze the market in 4-hour and bank amazing profit, and that's what exactly we're doing it. And if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.